everyone. Hope everyone is safe and healthy. I know some of us are hanging out at home and not spending time out and about, and that's great. That's what our governor said we should be doing. In fact, I think they just shut down Denver restaurants for indoor seating for the next 8 weeks. So it's going to be definitely an adjustment for some people. Breckenridge is talking about doing that now, so expect to see more of that happening in Summit County. What can you do? What can you do while you're hanging out at home? You could do what I'm doing right now. Do a video. Reach out to all your people. They love to hear from you. Certainly reach out to all your sellers that you currently have listings with. If you haven't already, reach out, talk to them, counsel them, tell them what's going on. Same thing with all your buyers. In fact, while you're at it, do it with everybody on your list. Do a one-on-one video. Reach out to them and say, hey, Jeff, just wanted to reach out to you in these trying times. Let you know what's going on in Colorado, or let you know what's going on in Summit County or Breckenridge or Frisco. You can do that for the comfort of your home, all with video, so they can see your face, see your emotions, see you, see that you're actually, you really care. That's much better than a word like in a text and or email. I think text would be the next best thing. Email would be somewhere down below that. Obviously not face-to-face unless you're 6 feet away or more. So those of you that do come in the office, remember, stay 6 feet away or more from anybody else in the office, including the admin, and have a great time, have a great week, be productive, try to be positive, try to help people, try not to panic and try not to run away and hide. Take this opportunity to take a look at your business, touch base with your people, and we'll be in touch. And by the way, that video up in the corner, that was me washing my hands. It's a little over 20 seconds, so maybe 25 seconds of total hand washing time. That's what you need to do. Be diligent about that. Stay healthy.